is up? Welcome back to another vlog. New here, I'm Hunter Swope. You're watching Hunter Swope Vlogs. And today we are gonna go to, drum roll please, and stop. Okay, we are gonna go to the Hoover Dam. So this is actually like a week later because I just haven't had a chance to edit it. And I'm so behind on vlogs. So yeah, you guys, let's just get right into the vlog. I hope you really enjoy this vlog. So yeah, stay tuned. Hoover Dam's behind us. The break wall. The dam wall. Yep.
What's up, guys? Today we're at the Hoover Dam and I am mad. It's a little warm here, about 110. Feels like probably 150. Very warm. Gonna get some tickets.
Very hard to see on this camera view.
Is it?
Sun. This is the Hoover Dam overlook observation.
The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below.
Wow. I can't see all the way down there. You guys can. Wow. Damn. That's a better view of it.
There's train tracks.
Train tracks.
Thank you for coming to see one of the 10 most modern construction achievements of the 20th century. Stay and take all the pictures. The next presentation is located across the
Here's the turbines, huh? The turbines, wow. We're like 500 feet down below sea level. Wow.
So please get some water, stay hydrated. Pictures you want, take all the video you want, but just be careful. Keep those cameras inside the rails, please, because it's going to be hard to get it once you drop it. So ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Bureau of Reclamation and the Hoover Dam, again, my name is...
Those are the turbines.
On the back side of the power plant. Most of you are already looking down the center of the room, and you're looking at our big commercial generators. We have 17 of these commercial generators. There are these 8 here in Nevada, and then we have 9 more at the Arizona power plant, which is behind me and across the river. But each one of these generators you're looking at here, they weigh 4 million pounds each. They're 70 feet tall, but you can only see the top 30 feet of them. The rest of the generators are actually below the floor. If there is a light on top of the generator, that indicates that generator is currently online and is producing power right now. just by looking straight down the road. The first one on line is N2. N2 stands for Nevada's number 2 generator. And then we got N5, 6, and 8 on the far end. They're online as well. Now what you don't see is N4. N4's exciter cap. That is the apparatus.
We are inside the dam. Tiles from New Mexico. We are like 200 and some feet now. We're gonna go look at the dam. Here's the dam, you guys. I'm not gonna risk really dropping my camera because I don't want to, and this is guys, that's cool. Turn it on up here. Wow, that's pretty cool, you guys. That's the dam. Comes the Arizona line at the Hoover Dam. We just went across over there. I tried to get that on video, but the time zone, it didn't show up, so I was like, no, maybe not. And now we have just entered Arizona. Lake Mead really looks like. Wow. A lot of like grasshoppers. Praying mantises, kind of. Wow, you guys, this is amazing. Look at how clear it is, you guys. That is pretty cool. Wow. Guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. And this is Charlie down there. Stop your playing. Would ya? Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.